Hello, dear friends. I am Lily from Golden Garden Moments, and if you think your gardening season is winding down as the air turns crisp, I am here to tell you it is just beginning. Right now is the perfect time to plant a whole new round of vegetables that actually love the cool weather, and many of them taste even better after a touch of frost. Whether you are new to gardening, getting back into it, or enjoying your garden in your golden years, this list is made with you in mind. No heavy lifting, no confusing steps, just 10 simple, satisfying crops you can plant this week with tips to make it easy on your body and your schedule. We are starting with number 1 and counting all the way up to number 10. Let's dig in gently, of course. We begin with number 1, Brussels sprouts. They take patience 90 to 110 days to mature, but they reward you with flavor that gets sweeter after frost. Plant them in full sun in rich, well-drained soil, space them about 24 inches apart, harvest from the bottom of the stalk, upward twist or cut off sprouts when they are firm and about the size of a quarter. Senior tip. Plant them in a raised bed with a sturdy rail or handle nearby for balance. Use a garden stool to sit while you harvest. It is kind to your knees and your back. Pro tip, strip off the lower leaves about a month before harvest. It helps the plant put all its energy into plumping up those little sprouts. Roast them with olive oil and a drizzle of maple syrup. Even the skeptics will ask for seconds. Number 2, Swiss chard. Beautiful, bountiful, and so easy to grow. Those bright stems, red, gold, pink, white, are not just pretty. They are delicious, and the leaves tender and nutritious. Harvest by cutting the outer stalks at the base. The center will keep producing all season long. Senior tip. Grow chard in tall containers placed on a stable table. That way you can harvest while seated. Use lightweight scissors or easy squeeze pruners to protect your hands. Sauté the stems like celery, the leaves like spinach, or toss them all together with garlic and lemon. Simple, tasty, colorful. Number 3, beets. A 2-for-1 crop, sweet roots and tender greens. Sow seeds 1 inch deep, about 4 inches apart. Each beet seed is actually a cluster of seeds so thin to one strong plant per spot by snipping extras at soil level. Senior tip, use a long-handled trowel with a cushioned grip. Harvest greens by taking just a few leaves per plant. The root will keep growing. Try the variety Cylindra. It is cold tolerant and slices beautifully. Roast the roots with herbs or sauté the greens with a touch of butter. Nothing goes to waste. Number 4, broccoli. Best planted as a young transplant in the fall, gives you a head start. After you harvest the main head, leave the plant in the ground. It will surprise you with smaller side shoots for weeks. Light frost makes it sweeter and more tender. Senior tip. Grow broccoli in large containers on wheels. You can roll them into the sun or tuck them under cover if a hard freeze is coming. Use a kneeler bench to sit while you harvest. Steam it, roast it, toss it with garlic and olive oil. So simple, so good. Number 5, carrots, nature's candy, especially after a frost. Sow seeds about 10 weeks before your first hard frost. They need loose, stone-free soil to grow straight and sweet. Thin seedlings gently use scissors to snip extras. Pulling can disturb the roots of the keepers. Senior tip, use seed tape or pelleted seeds. No bending to space tiny seeds. Grow in deep, raised beds or containers filled with soft, fluffy compost. Try Napoli for early sweetness or Danvers for long-term storage. Before we move on to number 6, I would love for you to join our Golden Garden Moments family. If you are enjoying these simple, senior-friendly tips, please tap that subscribe button. We share gentle gardening guides, seasonal planting reminders, and peaceful moments from the garden, all designed for those of us who grow at our own pace. Your support means the world, and you will never miss a harvest tip again. Thank you, dear friend. Now let's get back to the garden. Number 6, kale, the queen of cold weather crops. Frost does not hurt it, it makes it sweeter. Varieties like Vates and Winterbore can handle temperatures down to 10 degrees. Harvest the oldest leaves from the bottom. Leave the center bud untouched. It will keep producing. Senior tip, use ratcheting pruners or lightweight shears with extended handles. Harvest while seated if your kale is in a raised bed or tall pot. Massage the leaves with a bit of olive oil and salt until they become tender enough for salads, or bake them into crispy chips. Delicious and nourishing. Number 7, arugula fast, peppery, and practically grows itself. Sow seeds every 2 weeks, from late summer through early fall. Scatter them lightly, no need to be precise. Cover with a thin sprinkle of soil. Young leaves are mild, older leaves have a nice spicy kick. Senior tip, use pelleted seeds or a long-handled seed spreader. Stand while you sow, no bending required. Let a few plants flower, the blooms are edible and the bees adore them. Number 8, lettuce, especially loose leaf types, perfect for fall and perfect for pots. Choose slow bolting varieties like Winter Marvel, Tango, or North Pole. Harvest with scissors, just snip the outer leaves. The plant will keep growing from the center. Senior tip, use a rolling garden stool. Sit while you tend or harvest. Place containers on a table for easy seated access. Water in the morning keeps the leaves dry and slugs away. Number 9, spinach, a true cold weather champion. It thrives in cool soil and tastes sweeter after frost. Sow seeds 4 to 6 weeks before your first expected frost. Use the cut and come again method to take only the outer leaves. Senior tip, grow in waist-high raised beds or large pots. Use cushion grip pruners to protect tender hands. Try Bloomsdale Longstanding. It is extra hardy and slow to bolt. And finally, number 10, radishes, the fastest reward in the entire garden. Ready in just 3 weeks, sow seeds 1/2 inch deep and inch apart, plant a new row every 2 weeks for nonstop harvests. Senior tip, use a dibber or pencil to poke planting holes. Stand while you sow, thin with scissors, no pulling. Bonus, the greens are edible too. Toss them in stir fries or blend into smoothies. There you have 10 wonderful cold season crops you can plant right now for a peaceful, productive fall harvest, no matter your age or experience. Start with 1 or 2. Use raised beds, tall containers, or tools that make gardening kind to your body. And remember, frost is not your enemy. It is your secret ingredient. Which of these 10 will you try first? Leave me a comment below. I read every one and I love hearing from you. If this video brought you joy or helped you plan your garden, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Golden Garden Moments for more gentle, joyful gardening guides. Thank you for growing with me. Keep your hands in the soil, your heart at peace, and I will see you in the next video.